The new Library Search gives you a simple, one-stop search in multiple databases of scholarly materials and the most relevant mix of resources. Select Sign In, choose Staff and Student Login, and then log in with your RMIT account. In the RMIT Vietnam Library Search, you have access to anything you need for your research, including books, ebooks, videos, journal articles, and more. To search for an item, enter the keyword in the search box. Search results can be customized with various filters such as available online, library, or resource type. If you're looking for a physical book, check the library section and choose your library. If the book is available, you can find its call number here, then locate it on the library shelf. If the status is not available, go to the Get It box and hit the Request button. Choose a pickup location and fill in the details if needed. Then, hit Send Request. You will receive an email notice when the book is ready for pickup. You can check your library details by clicking on your name in the top right corner. Choose Library Card. Here, you can see all your library account details like loans, book requests, fines, or messages from the library. You can also renew your loans online so you can keep your favorite books for an extended time without coming to the library. All you need to do is select your books and then hit Renew. And there you have it, a quick view into the new Library Search.